Welcome to my hiking adventure. Today, I'm setting off to explore the beautiful Liafjellet, a charming mountain standing at 528 meters above sea level. Starting from Sjøholt, we'll drive along the Solnørvegen road to a cozy parking spot. Prepare yourself for breathtaking views, lush landscapes, and an unforgettable experience. As we set off, the trail is well marked and easy to follow, winding through dense forest and alongside a small spring. The only thing missing is the snow. In February, there should be at least a meter of snow, but it hasn't snowed since the beginning of January, and today it's 14 degrees Celsius. These temperatures are more reminiscent of summer, not the middle of winter. There are still some snowy patches along the path, especially in the shadowy places where the sun can't fully reach. About halfway up, we emerge above the tree line into a more open landscape. The view here is already impressive, with the valley stretching out below us and the peak of Liafjellet looming ahead. To the south, towering mountains dominate the horizon. The path follows the ridgeline of the mountain to the top, not too exposed, but offering a beautiful view of the Fjorden. Finally, we reach the summit of Liafjellet. The panoramic views from the top are simply breathtaking. You can see for miles in every direction, with the fjords, mountains and valleys creating a stunning tapestry of nature's beauty. Take a moment to soak in the scenery. This is the perfect spot to take a break, unpack your lunch and enjoy a well-deserved rest. As we begin our descent, remember to take it slow and steady. The trail can be slippery in spots, and the hardened snow can be icy, so watch your step. Thank you for joining me on this hike to Liafjellet. I hope you enjoyed the adventure and feel inspired to explore this beautiful part of the world. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to more hiking adventures. Until next time, happy trails!